get me home. One thing really do want. See that you're the worst, but I don't know. Is that true? We both feel the silence with things they think they know. Baby, that's why I just be free and let it all go. Let's go. I don't care what you say, it's true. Don't matter to me, 'cause I want you.
Hi everyone, it's Caitlyn here. I teamed up with Wholesale Halloween Costumes to bring you this Sugar Plum Fairy look from the Nutcracker film. I really hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial trailer thing. If you would like a direct link to the makeup tutorial, check in the description bar down below. Click that link, head on over to Wholesale Halloween Costumes and watch the full tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, favorite, and subscribe to their channel, because I create stuff over there too, as well as here, so you might as well subscribe there, turn on the notifications so you can check out their awesome videos they have as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay beautiful, okay?